Hello researchers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to download R and Rstudio for the first time. So straight away we'll go to Google and we will write Rstudio. This particular website was it. You have to click. Then first step is to install R because that is the main program and Rstudio is the front end. So let us download and install R. Download R for Windows. Suppose you have a Mac, you can use this one. If you have Linux, you can use this link. So I have Windows, so I'm clicking this. Then you have to click this one. Install R for the first time. I will click this. The first link, download R 4.3 for Windows. You have to click. Automatically it will show 64-bit because mine is 64. Then you have to download this. It is downloading. Meanwhile, I can also download the Rstudio. But first we have to download R and then Rstudio. That is important. So now Rstudio is also downloading. This is a free software for doing research. Already I have downloaded this particular file R 4.3. So let me stop this as of now and go to the folder and click this 4.3 which we are downloading. After downloading, you have to just right click and run as administrator. Say yes. Yes, now we have to say okay. It is in English or whatever language you want, whichever country you belong to. You can use Japanese is also there. Mine is English as of now. Let us click OK. This is the license, general license, which we have to say OK. And this is the, don't change this actually. Whatever it is there, you have to keep it the same way. Say yes. Accept defaults is better. Don't change anything. You can say quick launch. This one. Okay, I think it is downloaded. And now let me open this. Again, right click. And run as administrator. Say yes. You have to say next. So I think we are almost finished with installation of our studio. R is already installed. This is our studio. Graphical user interface, which is integrated with R. Just we have to click finish. Now we can, okay, we don't have the icon. We can go here, type R Studio. It has come. Can we drag this? Okay, anyways, what we can do is run as administrator. You can keep the control key pressed if you want. That is good for opening R. Keep it pressed. Window has come. Just say okay. Starting. So now R Studio is opened. Perfect. Now what is important is, suppose you want to change the look of this particular software. So what you can do is you can go to the tools and okay, yeah, you can go to view, show other panes, go to panes and go to pane layout. So when you come to this point, then you can go to appearance, and in appearance you can, by default, you will have something like this, white. Apply, it will look like this. If you want to make it black, you can try tomorrow night blue. Tomorrow night. TextMate is default. This is default. Apply. This is the default one. This is how it will look. But you want a darker look. So what you will do is you can go for tomorrow night. Apply. Becomes dark. So this is all about. Thank you for watching this video.